porridge. Bubur or porridge for our iftar later. This is the beef, ground beef with some lemongrass, fried onions, and a bit of oil. Let it simmer. Later we'll mix with this bubur and we'll see what happens later. So it will not be burned. Kering sikit lah. Now you can off the fire.
Later carry on again.
And later we will carry on again. Once we mix with this, then we'll come back. This is the ingredients for the porridge.
Porridge boil.
Pepper, porridge. Stir the porridge. Tu apa? Daun pandan Some pandan leaves for fragrance.
Nampak tu tak nampak. Dia dah hancur ke apa.
Yep. Dah boleh lah. Kasar-kasar sikit okey.
Tak nak kasut ni.
So you stir the beef. So you put oil, some lemongrass, and some minced beef. You mix together with the porridge there.
Dan the aroma.
Once the aroma is out, you can see the oil. You can see the oil there. You can see the oil. Then the beef is good to go. Once the beef is ready, then you will mix together with the porridge. See the oil there? The oil is up.
Orang putih, orang body.
Orang putih tengok apa? There you go. You mix it together. Mix it together, you'll see it change in color. You will put Knor cubes inside for flavor. Some stirring.
Nanti put the apa? No soap.
So you simmer.
Bawang
Once
goreng.
it's done, then you will put this inside.
Bawang goreng, tabur,
Right.
and minaru.
Then some fried onions, and we are done.
Half onion.
This is the ingredients for the beef. Apart from the minced beef, depends whether you want 500 gram, 100 gram, depending on how much you cook. You've got this babas.
One
We use
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of babas meat curry.
Your wish what anything lah.
Then you have onion, you have lemongrass, and you have
Slice the onion.
Knor ayam cubes or chicken cubes. You've got soup bunjut, Malay kind of soup spices, and we also have ground pepper. We also have ni apa? Daun soup ah? Soup
Celery,
leaf,
celery.
celery. Yep. And this is the final
Apa dia dah
product.
jadi bubur
Oh tu lah lembik makan
Ada
okey.
berahnya, ada nasi.
There you have our beef masala porridge. So once done, you have this.
Slice this one.
You have to slice this small pieces and make it fragrance. And finally, you will have this fried onions.
Both put together.
Both you put together.
Off the fire.
Once it's done, you put it on top. Then you can let it simmer, and it's good to go. Happy trying.
This
This is chopped parsley.
Nak tidur bersih ni.
What happens? We will remove this soup bunjut once it's done.
Kita nak angkat macam ni.
There you go. Put in the parsley. And last, the fried onions. Lovely. And you stir it.
Done.
Finally, we are done. It's ready to eat. Don't forget to take this off. Remember the soup bunjut? This is soup bunjut for flavor. Once you simmer it down, it's ready to. This is the final product of the